How to fix 403 forbidden error in Google Chrome. Now, first thing we will be doing is the first troubleshooting step. This troubleshooting step is just by simply clearing your data cache and cookies. To do that, click on the three dots located at the upper right hand on your screen. Go to settings and then go to privacy and security and delete browsing data. You might wanna have to go to advanced and change the time range to all time. Now, just a heads up, before doing this, make sure that you memorize all your login credentials because it will automatically log you out once you delete all data. The second troubleshooting step is we need to go ahead to our command prompt. Just press Windows and type CMD. Now this is gonna be the ones that you will be typing in. This is the first one, ipconfig space slash flash DNS. So let's try that. Hit enter. Then once it is successful, type this one, net sh space winsock space reset. And once everything is set, if this still doesn't work, now let's proceed on our last resort, which is changing our private DNS. To do that, click on the Windows button, then type in Control Panel. Go ahead to Network and Sharing Center, and then go to Change Adapter Settings. Right click on Wi-Fi, scroll down to Properties, and then click Internet Protocol version 4, and then click Properties. Now, you need to click on Use the following DNS server addresses. So you just have to input this IP addresses. So the preferred DNS server is 8888, and then the alternate DNS server is 8844. Now, once you hit OK, you'll just have to close everything and you need to restart your PC. So those are the troubleshooting steps on how we can fix 403 forbidden error on Google Chrome.